Mangistau region needs to develop other industries besides oil and gas production, said President Nursultan Nazarbayev during his visit to Mangistau region. Nursultan Nazarbayev visited the Aktau seaport, which receives more than 2,000 ships annually, with freight being delivered in 5 major directions. The cargo traffic is intensive. That is why the port is now expanding by 22 hectares. New terminals are being built. By next year, the first stage of the construction will be completed. The port will be expanded. 3 dry cargo docks, naval docks, will be built. The next stage includes construction of 3 oil berths.
Который позволит по сухим грузам увеличить производительность на 2,5 миллиона тонн.
Aktau seaport is an important link in the international trade. The port of Aktau provides access to European and Persian Gulf countries. During the regional visit, the president was shown a self-elevating drilling rig at the enterprise that is engaged in the assembly and construction of equipment, industrial installations, shipbuilding, repair and technical maintenance. It is the plant where transport barges were manufactured for the first phase of the Kashagan oil field development. A bitumen plant is one of the 2 plants that have been funded as part of the Republican roadmap of industrialization. The plant produces high-quality road bitumen used in construction of the International Transit Corridor, Western Europe, Western China, and Republican highways. This year, the plant has produced 125,000 tons of road bitumen. This is almost 400 kilometers of new roads. The ancient Silk Road was extremely long. Its route stretched across Central Asia, Kazakhstan and Russia. I think that the main route lies through Kazakhstan. In December, we will put the new rail line into operation, connecting Kazakhstan with Iran and the Persian Gulf. We have connected the railways of Zhezkazgan, Aktau through Korgos, Alashankor, and this line goes further to the Pacific Ocean. This route is considered the modern Silk Road. We need to build a lot of roads. Before, we used to import bitumen from Russia. Now we have our domestic production that meets the needs of road construction. One more railway line will be built in Kazakhstan. Nursultan Nazarbayev has launched the construction of the railway line Borjakte-Yersay. This route will create an infrastructural base for construction of another ferry port complex, Kurik.
Құрметті президент, жаңа темір жол құрылысын бастауға рұқсат етіңіз.
Рұқсат беремін, бастаңдар, табысты болыңдар. Өте қажет темір жол бұл.
Mangistau region is rich in resources. It has deposits of uranium, manganese, copper and mineral salts. Many of them have been explored, but production has been long halted. According to the president, these productions need to be revived. Oil production still supports the region's economy. It makes up 52% of the GDP. Other industries are not receiving the due attention, and the share of revenues from small and medium businesses is only 18%. President Nazarbayev also believes that agriculture needs development in Mangistau region. For instance, the regional poultry stock has decreased 19-fold since the 1990s. President has also urged the regional administration to develop tourism zones in Mangistau. The local government and the National Fund Samruk Kazina have been instructed to consider ways of developing Kenderli tourism zone. While the officials are engaged in large-scale projects, the youth of the region has decided to develop tourism in this area in another way. Activists have decided to take a road trip across the country from the Caspian Sea to Altai region. The activists are planning to tell the people about the beauty of their region during the road trip.